Hi, in the last lecture, we see how links works in HTML. Now, in this lecture, we see what are the entities in HTML and how to use them. So first, get rid of these tags and refresh it. So now, entities are very useful in HTML. For example, if you want to show some code in your browser, same as it is in editor, then you use HTML entities. And any other special symbols like copyright symbols, you see most of the websites in bottoms have a certain copyright symbol or register mark symbol. To show them, we use HTML entities. For example, if I want to show A as it is in browser, so if I refresh, nothing is here because this is our code and the code does not show exact in browser. So for this we use HTML entities. So if I go to here and write HTML entities and W3 School, our first websites, open it and scroll down, here you see some entities. So that is the entities. So if I want to show A with brackets, angle brackets. So first I use a less than bracket that shows here and we name it entities and LT semicolon. So if I write here and symbol and LT and semicolon and write here A, now at the end we use a greater than symbol, that is and that starts with and symbol gt greater than and semicolon. If I save it and in browser I refresh, so you can see here our A tag with the angle brackets are shown in browser. So that is the first example. If I write further here, so you can see copyright. You see here small symbol in most of the websites at the bottom and many own products. So if I use and symbol and write here copy and then semicolon, save it, and if I refresh, you can see here our copyright symbol is in browser. So HTML entities are very handy for our code and in HTML. So this is a registered trademark we use and reg. If I delete them and write here and symbol with register semicolon and save it. So if I refresh, so you can see here our R trademark symbol is in here. So these are the HTML entities. If you go to another website that sees in bottom, so that is W3OR website. If I click on it, so you can see thousands of symbols are here. This is the dollar symbol, hash symbol, thesis symbol, and many more. So you can use them according to your need. So here we end this lecture. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for these latest videos. Thanks for watching.